Well, I'm getting drunker, so this might be easier. What's up, campers? Did Bird Dog create Crazy Dog Liqueur to take a bite out of Jaeger? Let's find out. Jägermeister has been the granddaddy of the black licorice liqueurs for quite some time. People have very strong opinions about it. You either love it or you hate it, but it's no doubt that it's pretty popular. I have made no secret that I'm not the biggest fan of black licorice, but it's a quality product and it's definitely really popular. Now we have Crazy Dog, which is Bird Dog's version of an herbal liqueur, and it seems to be going after the same market or the same type of flavor as Jägermeister. So let's try these and we'll see if it stacks up. It's Jager. It's a black licorice, it's super sweet. It's got a really rich flavor to it, and it's Jager. What else can I say? Let's try the Crazy Dog. Okay, it's definitely different. It has a brighter, a little bit more of a bitey flavor to it. It leans more toward anise candies more than like black licorice like the Jager is, and it's a lot less sweet. But let's be honest, no one's sitting here connoisseuring or sipping either Jägermeister or Crazy Dog. They're really shooting it, so let's see if it's a shooter. They're both kind of awful, but... So as far as a winner here today, they're really similar. They both are great shooters. They both have that black licorice flavor. The Jägermeister is a little bit more sweet, whereas the Bird Dog is a little bit brighter and kind of lighter. They're both so similar. I don't know that I could pick these out as far as a shooter, but the Crazy Dog is $10 less expensive. So if I'm gonna bring friends over and we're gonna be shooting it, I'm gonna say for that alone that the Crazy Dog is probably gonna win in my book. Please go check out our other videos over here. Hit that like and subscribe. Please always drink responsibly, and we'll see y'all back here at the camp.